I have created a series of instructional videos to show how to create the origami star box. This first video is an overview of the videos with hints on how best to use these videos. The videos are divided into 4 parts. Part 1, learning the skills. Part 2, creating a template. Part 3, pre-folding the creases. Part 4, collapsing the creases to form a box. The skills necessary to fold a star box are of moderate difficulty and a little bit unique. Folding the activities in the 3 videos below will help you master the required skills. Practice these tasks several times. An intermediate or advanced origami folder may skip these videos. These videos also serve as a close-up view of crucial folds. You might want to view these videos even if you do not make the folds shown in the videos. The second step, or second part of the videos, teach you how to create a template. This template is used to make the task of folding a grid easier and reduces the number of creases showing in the finished star. If you plan to fold more than 1 star box, I recommend creating this template. You can make the same folds on actual paper used for the star as shown below. So you do not necessarily have to use a template. Once you have practiced some initial origami skills and have created a folding template, you may be ready to take a sheet of paper and fold the actual star box. You will need a 4x12 rectangle, the template you created, and 5 clips. The first step in the actual folding is to pre-crease all creases needed to make the star box. It is recommended for folders of all skill levels. The completed star box will be more accurate by performing this pre-creasing. The 3 videos shown below should be followed in order to perform the pre-creasing needed. Once you master the skills to collapse the star box into its final shape, the actual collapse will only take a few minutes. However, the first time you may struggle to get the box into a desired shape. The interior folds are difficult to see in the video because the fingers used to make the folds block the view of the fold. Reference the close-up video for a better view.